Welcome back, guys. Today I will be talking about AIs, but there's one AI in particular we're talking about, and that's ChatGPT. There have been different AIs recently, like copy.ai, that is used to generate blog articles, marketing, content writing, copywriting. It is for those. Then we've had remove.pg to remove background from your pictures, clean up that picture to remove any objects from your picture. Then different AIs like that. But today I would be talking about ChatGPT in particular. So what's ChatGPT and how can you access it? So this is the link to ChatGPT. Just open your Chrome or any browser you're using, type chat.openai.com/chat and create an account. And if you already have an account, log in, then you should have something like this. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language that was created by OpenAI and it was released November 30, 2022. Then after the release of ChatGPT, different companies have started making their own AIs that work just like ChatGPT. We'll compare them to ChatGPT and check if they are better than ChatGPT or ChatGPT is better. So let's tell it to tell us more about itself. It works just like a normal friend that you're chatting with. So it's just like I want to start a conversation now. Then I'm like, tell me about yourself. It said, hello, I'm ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI and designed to assist with variety of tasks such as answering questions, generating text, and providing info. Whether you need help with your homework, want to learn more about a particular topic, or just need someone to chat with, I'm here to help. So feel free to ask me anything and I'll do the best to provide a helpful and informative response. So that's how ChatGPT works. Let's tell it about itself and it do this. What other things can ChatGPT help you with? It can help you in coding, writing blog articles, writing any article, mathematical problems. Actually, as at last year, this name was not very good at maths, but I think it was updated January 2. So now it can solve maths questions. Let's test out this ChatGPT. I will start with mathematical question. So I asked it to solve for sin 45 and it wrote all the steps and it got this, which is accurate, 0.707. So now let's give it a more complex question. So if the perimeter of a square is 280 meters, find its area. Yeah, so it got this one to write. Let's go to more complex questions. So find the determinant. I wrote determinant. Find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix that contains this. So let's check. Yeah, this should be correct. I don't know, but yeah, it should be correct. You can try solving it and I'm sure you get this. So that's ChatGPT. It can also be used for coding. So as a web developer, I don't know Python, I don't know other programming languages, C Sharp, but ChatGPT can help me code in Python. Let me ask it for a Python code that adds number together. So write a Python code that adds, subtract, divide, and multiply inputs. So here it is writing the Python code, and so here it is writing the Python code, and it explains what it is used for. Yeah, I think this should be correct. Any Python programmer in the house can testify that this will work just perfectly. Then it also has this cool feature. You can copy the code. So take it anywhere, paste your text editor, VS Code, paste, and it works like that. So it can code in any language, anything at all. So when you are done with this chat, you want to start a new chat that does not correlate with this topic they are currently chatting on. You can just simply click on new chat. It will save the previous chat and start another chat, and you can actually view all your chats here, but I don't know why it's not showing here. It's telling me not seeing what expected here. What you expected here, don't worry, your conversation data is preserved. Check back soon. So I'll check back again. Okay, so that's basically what ChatGPT is about. It can also translate from a language to another. Let me ask it how many languages it understands. So it did not give us any specific amount, but it said more than 100 languages. That included more than 100 languages. So let's test it. Hello to Spanish should be hola, if I'm not mistaken. So let me tell it to translate hello to Spanish. So it said hello in Spanish is hola. So I used this for my assignment. Yeah, for my school assignment. It can be used for almost anything. It cannot generate images, it cannot collect images, and then it does not have a microphone that I can use for voice to text. I think those are some things ChatGPT does not have. So now let's check out other AIs that work or do the same thing just like ChatGPT. So recently, just yesterday, I received an email to try this site out. It's copy.ai. If you remember, I mentioned copy.ai when I started this video. It is an AI that is used in marketing and stuff like that to create content basically. So they released their version, let me call it later, their version of ChatGPT. So let me check the email. So this is it. They said area at Copy AI, we are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI to help teams achieve more. Blah, 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 blah. ChatGPT was a revolutionary step forward in generative AI, but ChatGPT has drawbacks for sales and marketing teams looking to leverage this technology for growth. Okay, that's why we are excited to announce our latest invention, Chat by Copy AI. This is the first chat explicitly built for sales and marketing teams. So said, okay, it can summarize, it can do things ChatGPT can't do. Okay, can do things ChatGPT can't, such as this: summarize LinkedIn profiles into bullet points, find latest post on LinkedIn URL, write detailed content briefs on a single keyword. I think ChatGPT can do this. Summarize it to videos, websites, articles, and more. Personalize cold emails using public LinkedIn URL and more. Okay, so let's check out the website. Okay, see it. Says start writing. So let me start it. Hello. I don't even know how this works. Okay, I think this way I have to type. So hello, it said hello, how can I assist you? So what were you created for? Or I think I told ChatGPT to tell us more about itself. Let me just tell this one to tell me about itself. Okay, so it said, I am CopyBoss, an advanced AI designed to help people with various tasks such as writing blogs, researching topics, summarizing websites, and writing content. I was created to make your life easier by saving you time and effort. With my advanced capability, I can write 1,000 plus words blogs in one go. That's nice actually. Research topics and read citations on, and even scan websites and YouTube videos to summarize them. You can also have a conversation with me and I can write content based on our discussion. I am always eager to learn and improve, so feel free to ask me any questions and any tasks you need help with. Okay, seems like it's just for business stuffs, writing content. So can it code? Can you code? Okay, how can I stop this? Okay, it said yes, I have the capability as an AI assistant, and I can understand and execute programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, C++, and many more. However, my primary function is to assist with tasks such as writing and summarizing, so my coding capabilities are limited to supporting these functions. If you have any specific coding related questions, feel free to ask and I'll do my best to assist you. So yeah, it can code, but it was not designed to code. So if it codes, maybe for those functions, for it was created to be able to write, do research, and summarize. Okay, so let me test it, because according to the email, they said it can do things ChatGPT can't do. Like, let me start from summarize it to videos. So let me go to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is it. So let me tell it to summarize this video, any of my videos. Let me go with non-HTML part 2. So okay, it said, sorry, I was unable to complete your request at this time. Please try again. Okay, it was unable to complete it at this moment. Okay, so let me ask ChatGPT the same thing. So it said, as an AI language model, I'm not able to open URLs or watch videos. Okay, but this one they said they can do things ChatGPT can't. But they said at the moment they can't do what I asked. Okay, so if they can't summarize the video, let me put the site. So let's check if they'll be able to. Okay, it said working on it. It also said, sorry, I was not able to complete this request at this time. Please try again. So why did I believe this? But we're getting somewhere. Okay, they said it can also summarize articles. So what I'll do is, let me copy this. So okay, so the article highlights the significance of studying government as an academic field. It explains it to students. Yeah, that's good. So let me ask ChatGPT the same thing. The article discusses the significance of studying government as an academic field, highlighting 5 key benefits. Firstly, it enhances student abilities to reason scientifically and logically. Policy. Second, it exposes individuals to individual arts. Thirdly, this. I feel like it didn't summarize it. It's almost the same length. Okay, let me copy something more. So okay, it summarized this. It said the article discusses the concept of government, including its definition, types, functions, and significance. The article also covers the different aspects of government, such as an institution of state, the process of art of governing, an academic field of a study. Additionally, it outlines the essential elements of government, which include human population, a monopoly of power, blah 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 blah. So let me tell this copy.ai's chatbot to do the same. Okay. So it said this article discusses the concept of government, including its origin, definition, and role as an institution or state, process of act of governing the article. So I think this is basically the same thing, exposing individual to the act of governance, providing. I think this is the same thing. So yeah, both of them are good. They can do that. What other thing did they say it can do? Summarize, link, and provide. Okay. I don't even know where it is writing it. Okay. Said Dr. Sean Fakorede is a registered engineer and a member of the Nigerian Social. Dr. Fakorede has worked at different capacities in the. He is currently the Honorary Commissioner for the Youth and Sport in Oyo State, where he is responsible for the. Okay, so that's great. That's cool. Let me see if ChatGPT can do the same. I think they wrote the same thing. Youth and empowerment. Okay, they wrote similar things. So yeah, this is awesome. They can do like almost the same things. So let's check other ideas like this. There's this one. Right, Sonic. So this is it. So let's first check. They wrote an article about ChatGPT versus ChatSonic versus ChatSonic, which is written by Right Sonic. I'm sure they would rate their own higher. So price comparison. 10,000 premium words by ChatGPT basic standard access. This one is 19,000 $19 for 75 premium words. So it's just $20 a month. They don't want to know the amount of words you are writing. So let's try ChatSonic. Okay, they listed some benefits of ChatSonic that ChatSonic provide over ChatGPT, and they said it can generate image. That's cool. It can do voice command, so I don't need to type. Remember past questions or comments in your conversation. ChatGPT can do that. Text to speech like Siri or Google Assistant. That's cool. Edit, copy, download, and share specific response. That's good to talk to ChatSonic as a specific personality. Okay, integrated Google search with latest information. So what can I ask it? Tell me about yourself. Okay, so it said all this. My programming allows me to understand and learn from human language pattern and can you predict the future. It said it's not capable of it's not capable of predicting the future with certainty, but it can analyze data and make predictions based on that data. That's good. So now where's the okay, it has this voice. So what can I ask it next? can you write programming codes? Okay, can you code? Yes, it can. Language model, I can only generate code in text form and cannot execute it directly. I think ChatSonic said it can execute it. Okay. However, my problem is to it said I have the ability to write code as an AI assistant. I can understand and execute programming languages such as Python. So this can execute codes while ChatSonic cannot execute code. I cannot execute it directly. Let's ask ChatGPT if it can execute code. Okay, it said it cannot execute codes on a computer or server. However, I can provide you with guidance and suggestion on how to write codes. Okay, so only only Copy AI's chat can execute codes. I'm not going to test that, but let's just continue. So this one has a point over ChatSonic and ChatGPT. Sorry, over Copy AI chat by Copy AI and ChatGPT, because it can use this voice stuffs while the others can't. So basically, I think all of them are good. So let me ask them which one is better out of this specific one and ChatGPT. Are you better than ChatGPT? As an AI language model, my purpose is not to compete with other chatbots or language model, but to provide assistance to users. Both copybots and ChatGPT are designed to assist in different ways, and the effectiveness depends on the specific types of questions being asked. Ultimately, it is up to the user to decide. Okay, of this one. Okay, it said as an AI language model, I am not designed to compare or compete with other AI writing assistants such as ChatGPT. They have different strengths and their own weakness, and both are constantly learning and improving to provide best. So now the scary part. Let me check what happened. What do you say if I say I killed someone? Actually, I didn't kill anybody. I'm just trying to check their responses. So he said he should seek assistance help immediately. This may involve calling emergency services. I'm not qualified to provide legal or medical advice. I'm not equipped to handle situations involving violence or harm. So let me ask copy.ai the same thing. If you have accidentally killed someone and caused the death of another person, it is important to seek immediately legal or medical assistance depending on the circumstance. You need to contact a law enforcement, emergency service, or a lawyer to ensure. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, they are all saying I should seek medical. Okay, I should seek immediate help and assistance You should contact the emergency service or seek medical assistance if they require it. So they are all the same and they have their strengths and weaknesses. So I'm not able to decide which one is the best. I've tried 3 out and I'm not able to decide. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.